Hello guys, welcome to the new era. Hope you guys are fine. It's Quiz Industry 6.0. If you found this video interesting, please like it and subscribe. Today's video is about choose one, this or that. So let's start this fun game. Say goodbye to the trip of this ship or that airplane. What would you choose? Would you rather ride on this horse or prefer second one? What is your preference? This sofa or this mushroom bed, choose one. What is your taste? Choose one, this or that. What would you choose? Choose one, this or that. What would you choose? Want to travel in this wooden house truck or prefer second one? What is your preference? Have this toilet or prefer second one? What is your choice? Choose one, this or that. What is your preference? Choose one, this or that. Which one would you adopt? Choose one, this or that. What do you think, which one is more attractive? Choose one, this or that. What is your preference? Choose one, this or that. What is your preference? Would you rather want to take this white outfit or prefer second one? What would you decide to have? Would you rather want to take Jiren's power or prefer second one? What would you decide to have? Say goodbye to one gaming room. What would you decide to have? Choose one, this or that. What is your taste? Choose one, this or that. What would you decide to have? Take this ring or take this beautiful bed. What would you take? Would you rather have a GF or have this car? What would you have? What you choose, this or that? What would you have? Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more amazing workout. God bless you.